Hi, I'm Dr. Ramp here at Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn. Today I wanted to show you one of the services we offer here at our clinic, which is x-ray. We do have an x-ray machine in-house, so if you've had any recent trauma, car accident, maybe you fell, slipped on the ice, if you don't want to go sit in the ER and not have a long wait time to get an x-ray, you can come here. We can usually get you in same day or next day. We can take a picture real quick. They are digital, so we can look at them while you're here, let you know what we find, and then we can refer you out if needed if you have something that needs to be taken care of immediately. We don't x-ray every patient, that's not our policy here, but if we think that it's needed, if you're not progressing with care, or like I said, if you've had recent trauma, it is a great option that we have here, so we can take a picture without having to send you to an x-ray facility, wait for the report, and all that kind of thing. If you think you might need an x-ray or interested in it, let us know next time you're here or give our office a call.
Welcome to Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn, Oregon. Our experienced team of chiropractors and massage therapist wellness professionals provide the best possible chiropractic care, laser therapy, and massage therapy to patients living with back pain, neck pain, headaches, and a variety of chronic pain conditions. At Revive Injury and Wellness, we utilize gentle chiropractic techniques, massage therapy, rehabilitative exercises, nutritional supplementation, and cold laser therapy to help you recover from back pain, neck pain, chronic pain or injury from a workplace or auto accident. Our chiropractors and wellness team focus on the cause of your pain, not just the symptom, to help you lead a happier, healthier, pain-free life. We are here for you if you are in search of a chiropractor or accident and injury pain specialist in West Linn, Oregon, in Southeast Portland. Serving the communities of West Linn, Gladstone, Oregon City, Tualatin, Milwaukie, Wilsonville, Beavercreek, Canby, Molalla, Mulino, Clackamas, Willamette, Lake Oswego, and Happy Valley, Oregon in Clackamas County. Give us a call at 503-344-4378 and be sure to ask about our new patient special offer or visit our website at reviveinjury.com.